Hey Facebook gang, it's Bob. Just a check in today on my lunch break. I thought I'd talk a little bit about meditation today. I'll keep it brief, but many people have expressed an interest in meditation, learning about it, or trying it. And I wanted to break it down a little bit because sitting in a dark room with your eyes closed, alone with your thoughts, can be a little bit intimidating. And there are some other ways to maybe approach meditation or think about meditation. John Yates, in his book, Mind Illuminated, talks about meditation in two ways. The two objects of meditation being one, having a stable concentration, stable focus. That's one aspect. The other is a peripheral awareness or mindfulness, which it's often called. One of the ways of approaching this beyond just the sitting and breathing is to take a moment. This is available to you 24/7, but to go out into the world and use your sense doors, the sights, the sounds, the smells, tastes, and touch. Actually use those. That's something in meditation that we tend to leave behind in later progressions, but until then, use them. Use the senses to your advantage. The meditation is getting at how the mind works, how to really understand the mechanics of the mind, the crazy things that it does, the illusions that it creates, and really all of our experience is just a projection of that mind. So utilize the sense doors, go outside and think about and talk about or write about what you see, what you hear, what you feel, what you can taste, what you can smell. And that will start to create moments of mindfulness where the mind will stop doing other activities and you can actually focus on the bird flying in, listen to the sound of the trees. You might hear somebody mowing in the distance. Eventually you start peeling the onion back and you start understanding how what you sense actually starts to affect what you think and what you feel. But beyond just sitting and breathing and sort of getting scared by the thoughts that crop up out of nowhere, maybe just practicing focusing on one of the things that you see or one of the smells that you smell, engaging those senses, becoming aware of all things that you can sort of sense in your periphery. That's meditation too. And so I encourage you to do it. You can do it in the car. You can do it when you're in the park. If you're sitting at home doing some other activity, just explore that. Think about what you're sensing and be present with those senses. That's it for now. This is a little bit longer one, but this is day 2 of my 365-day challenge. So love one another, be good to one another, help each other out, help one another be better, and I look forward to talking to you all tomorrow. Bye.